Good morning, everyone. We are located now in the Yap Sanjayko Ancestral House, as stated by the caretaker of this ancestral house. Uh, this house was considered as one of the oldest ancestral house in Cebu, and maybe the oldest Chinese house in Cebu back then in 1675. These are the image or the things that we can see in inside the ancestral house. This is the stairs. We're going up. Watch your step because the quality of the wood is maybe affected by the time, and we are now in the second floor of the Yatsen Diego Ancestral House. And as you can see, this is truly very old now, and maybe uh, perhaps have undergone already several breakages. Uh, Look at the roof. The roof is made of bricks or cement to prevent it from breaking during heavy storms and rains. And this is the sun. This is the mirror inside the ancestral house. And this is the, I don't know what we call this. This is the mirror, height of the mirror. And here another mirror here. And this is the table where the Yap San Diego family, the Yap family, or the San Diego family, have used to eat their meals. Also here, this is also the table where they used to eat, and here they used to have their pastime, their one of the Filipino games, the sungka. This is how you do it, like that. That i- that is the wishing well, and that is they're considered as garden. And here we have here the lamps, the old lamps. Yes, there. You must be very careful in stepping on the floor because you might drop some of the things. Because, knowing that these things are very fragile due to the length of time that they have been here. So you have to be careful all the time when you're inside here. Then we are now in this dining room again. Here, that is the bed. But that
Bedroom showcase.
is their bedroom. Yes, this is their bedroom. Okay,
Wih, bukan ko ng sapatos, weh.
this is their bedroom.
Yes.
That is where they
Some
used
goes
to
here.
used to sleep, or there are some paintings around there. Paintings, yes. Let's go. This is the kitchen where they used to cook. This is the kitchenwares they used to use. This is the kitchen utensils. Maybe that is the painting of the family that used to stay here. And
Lovebirds.
these are the lovebirds. Yes. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining us in our tour in this ancestral house. See you again next time. Bye bye.